Many people believe that learning a language is all about memorizing grammar rules and vocabulary. While these things are important, they are not enough to make you a fluent speaker. Speaking is a physical skill. Just as athletes train their muscles to perform better, language learners must train their mouths to speak clearly and naturally. Your mouth, tongue, lips, and vocal cords need practice to produce unfamiliar sounds and words smoothly. If you want to become a confident speaker, you must train your mouth to talk. Learning to speak a new language can feel difficult at first. You may know many words, but when it is time to speak, the words do not come out easily. This happens because your brain understands the language, but your speaking muscles are not yet trained. The good news is that anyone can improve with regular practice. Why speaking practice matters. Speaking is different from reading, writing, or listening. You can understand hundreds of words and still struggle to say a simple sentence. This is because speaking requires coordination between your brain and your mouth. When you practice speaking regularly, your mouth becomes familiar with the movements needed to produce sounds. Over time, these movements become automatic. You no longer have to think about every word. Instead, you can focus on expressing your ideas. Many learners spend years studying grammar but avoid speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. Unfortunately, avoiding speaking prevents improvement. The only way to become a better speaker is to speak more often. The importance of muscle memory. Muscle memory is the ability of your muscles to remember repeated movements. For example, when you learn to ride a bicycle, it feels difficult at first. After enough practice, riding becomes natural. Speaking works in a similar way. When you repeatedly pronounce words and sentences, your mouth develops muscle memory. Common sounds become easier to produce, and your speech becomes smoother. This is why children learn languages quickly. They listen and repeat constantly. They are not worried about making mistakes. They simply practice until speaking becomes natural. Read aloud every day. One of the easiest ways to train your mouth is to read aloud. Choose a book, article, or short story and read it out loud for 10 to 15 minutes every day. Reading aloud helps you improve pronunciation, increase speaking confidence, develop fluency, learn natural sentence rhythm, strengthen mouth muscles. Do not worry about speaking perfectly. Focus on speaking clearly and consistently. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. Repeat after native speakers. Listening alone is not enough. You should also imitate native speakers. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or use language learning resources. Pause after each sentence and repeat exactly what you hear. Pay attention to pronunciation, intonation, rhythm, stress, patterns, speed. This technique helps your mouth learn natural speaking habits. Over time, your accent and pronunciation may improve significantly. Practice tongue twisters. Tongue twisters are excellent exercises for mouth training. They force your tongue and lips to move quickly and accurately. Examples include: she sells seashells by the seashore. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Unique, New York. Start slowly and focus on accuracy. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. Talk to yourself. Many people feel embarrassed about talking to themselves, but it is one of the most effective speaking exercises. Describe what you are doing throughout the day. I am making breakfast. I am going to the market. The weather is nice today. You can also discuss your thoughts, plans, and experiences. This habit trains your brain and mouth to work together. It also helps you think in English instead of translating from your native language. Record your voice. Recording yourself can be uncomfortable at first, but it is extremely useful. Choose a topic and speak for 1 or 2 minutes. Then listen to the recording carefully. Ask yourself, was my pronunciation clear? Did I speak smoothly? Were there too many pauses? Did I use correct grammar? Recording allows you to identify weaknesses and track your progress over time. Focus on pronunciation. Good pronunciation helps others understand you easily. You do not need a perfect accent, but clear pronunciation is important. Pay special attention to sounds that do not exist in your native language. Practice them repeatedly until they become comfortable. Use online pronunciation dictionaries and listening resources to hear how words are pronounced. Then repeat them several times. Remember that pronunciation improves through repetition, not through theory alone. Build confidence through practice. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles to speaking. Many learners worry about making mistakes or sounding foolish. However, mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Instead of focusing on perfection, focus on communication. If people understand your message, you are succeeding. Confidence grows through action. The more you speak, the less nervous you become. Develop daily speaking habits. Consistency is more important than intensity. Speaking for 10 minutes every day is often more effective than speaking for 2 hours once a week. Create a daily routine that includes reading aloud, shadowing native speakers, talking to yourself, recording your voice, learning new vocabulary. Small daily efforts lead to significant improvement over time. Think in English. One reason speaking feels slow is that many learners translate from their native language into English. Translation takes time and creates hesitation. Try thinking directly in English. Start with simple thoughts. I am hungry. I need to finish my work. I am watching a movie. As your vocabulary grows, your thoughts will become more complex. Thinking in English helps you respond more quickly during conversations. Join conversations whenever possible. Real conversations provide valuable speaking practice. Talk with friends, teachers, language partners, or online communities. Do not wait until you feel ready. Speaking is what makes you ready. Every conversation teaches something new. You learn how people respond, ask questions, and express ideas naturally. Even short conversations can improve your fluency and confidence. Be patient with yourself. Language learning is a journey, not a race. Progress may feel slow at times, but every practice session helps. Some days you will speak confidently. Other days you may struggle. This is completely normal. The key is persistence. Keep speaking, keep practicing, and keep learning. Remember that fluency is built one sentence at a time. Conclusion. Training your mouth to talk is one of the most important steps in becoming a fluent speaker. Speaking is not just a mental activity, it is a physical skill that requires regular practice. By reading aloud, repeating after native speakers, Practicing tongue twisters, recording yourself, and speaking every day, you can strengthen your speaking muscles and improve your fluency. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Every word you speak is part of your training. Just as athletes become stronger through exercise, speakers become more fluent through practice. Your mouth learns through repetition. The more you speak, the easier speaking becomes. Start today, stay consistent, and trust the process. With time and dedication, you can train your mouth to talk confidently and communicate effectively in English.